私の名はゴア、地球の征服者だ。
マグマ大使。
明治以来長い間火山の活動を休んでいた富士山が突如火山の活動を始めました。噴火は時間の問題とみられています。そこで今日は火山対策本部長の岩崎博士をお尋ねして原因を伺ってみたいと思います。お忙しいところお邪魔いたします。早速ですが岩崎先生、旧火山だった富士山が活動を始めた原因は何なんでしょうか。
その前になぜ火山が爆発するのか簡単にご説明いたしましょう。
はい。
火山は地底にあるこのマグマというものが移動を起こし、それが地殻を爆発させて起こるんです。
すると富士山の場合も地下のマグマが動き出したために活動を始めたわけですね。
I just realized. Do you know Goldar, the space Avenger, who's also a rocket?
Yes?
I think he's connected to the eruption. His appearances always seem to originate from that area.
Come in here.
Interesting.
I'm not sure, of course, however, judging from Goldar's appearances, the possibility exists that he lives underneath that crater. Assuming that this is the truth, it would mean that Goldar himself could have started the eruption of that volcano. I'll explain why I reached that conclusion. It was only yesterday that it started to erupt. No warning. It's most unusual for an eruption to do that without indications. It usually takes days, according to records.
Is it possible, then, that Goldar is an assistant to Rodak?
It's possible.
Can you explain that to the people just a little more thoroughly, sir?
I will. It's my theory that Goldar caused it to erupt. His physical actions were undoubtedly too harsh. Of course, he most likely realized he caused that action. After all, Goldar is very strong.
How could he say that Goldar started it?
Especially when we all know that the cause of it all was the creature Terran.
That's right.
I don't understand. Thank you. We must consider, though, that Dr. Iwasaki is an expert on volcanoes.
It's really amazing he'd say such a thing.
Yes, it's certainly the monster. But nobody's going to take your word for it since the doctor speaks differently.
I'll tell them Mara's right. I'll tell the story of my arrival here and why it's been connected to the monster.
Good idea. Let's all take shelter now.
Hey.
Right.
I suggest we hurry. What happened?
I'm not an Earthling, just a visitor. My original home was the planet Kual, sir.
Go on.
My entire planet was destroyed in the exact way that the Earth is going to be destroyed. By Taron, a hideous monster. We didn't want to surrender to Rodak. He sent Taron to destroy our planet, and soon after that, volcanoes erupted there.
That's a good story. You should try writing.
Are you doubting all the things that I tell you?
Can you prove that anything of what you just said is actually the truth? There's nothing I can do unless you can support it.
I have an idea. Why don't we ask Goldar? Goldar would know.
Oh, that's right. Ask Goldar.
Is it all right to ask Goldar?
Yes, that would be a very wise idea. Go ahead and call him.
Yes, sir.
Join us.
Now is my chance to get Goldar.
Nico signals in the fiery heart of Mount Olympian. Gam, Silvar, and Goldar transform into rockets. The rockets are straight ahead. They're sighted on the radar scope. Ready to counterattack. And fire with extreme accuracy. Fire!
What do you think you're doing? How do you like it? I issued the orders for that attack just now. You did? Oh. I must destroy Goldar, Silva, and especially Gam.
Doctor, how could you do such a thing?
Guess.
Who are you?
Who do you think we are?
All of you are lugo-men. Run!
I am making television appearances, convincing the people of Earth that all of the trouble being caused is the fault of Goldar.
I forced Goldar and his family to make an appearance by having Miko signal them with his whistle. Then I ordered an attack using Air Force missiles that were taken over by my men.
Were you successful?
We injured Gam, but Goldar and Silva managed to escape without harm. Anyway, Goldar will be angry at the Earthlings for drawing him into an attack.
Good work, Lugo number 3. Soon the Earth will be like the planet Kowal. By the way, did you get that locket from the girl Lita? It's very important that we recover it.
No, we were not able to.
You fool! That locket is very important. It contains the plans we use to destroy the planet Kowal. Lugo number 3, you are to get that girl.
Miko betrayed us. How could Miko do such a thing as that?
You have to remain quiet.
Why do you think he wanted to destroy all of us? And all along I thought he was a friend of ours.
Now listen to me carefully. We don't know if that attack was the fault of Miko. Anything could have happened and he could be in danger.
That's not what I think at all. Only he had that whistle and only he sent the signal to us.
Methuselah, Gam could have been badly hurt if that was a nuclear warhead.
Do you think that it was a deliberate move set by Earthlings?
I do not know, sir.
Even though Miko did the signaling, it is very possible that Rodak was behind it. We will have to be very careful from now on when we are given a signal. The Earth has become infested with lugo-men, and we cannot trust an Earthling. It is too easy for a lugo-man to disguise himself to look like a person. From now on, any Earthling that you see, I want you to be very suspicious. During these times, everyone's dangerous.
I understand, Methuselah.
You were created to protect the Earth. Therefore, your tremendous strength is needed. In various places of the world, volcanoes are beginning to erupt. The planet Kowal was destroyed with the same pattern. If we are not careful, the Earth will be next.
Sir, a bulletin just came in.
Read
A
it.
North Alita volcano just caused a tidal wave. There were also a lot of fires. And the Mideast area was hit with exactly 18 eruptions. In India, the heat destroyed thousands of houses, and a very dangerous earthquake just struck Honolulu.
In China and in Peru, the Earth is constantly rumbling. You know, the heat is getting worse. The temperature keeps getting higher and higher out there. You could fry an egg.
Sir, we just received a bulletin that the heat is causing our citizens to riot.
Oh, no.
Is in the Volcano Research Center, and immediately.
And have everyone hysterical? No, I don't think so.
Don't you know they're Rodak's men? Right now, every country in the world is infiltrated with Rodak's lugo-men.
You don't have any evidence.
You call this a news service?
Mura's at it again. He's trying to make everyone aware that we're lugo-men.
How can he?
On Earth, anything is possible. You should watch out.
I will. As you know, I must question that girl Lita. How are you getting on?
I put several men on the assignment, and they'll soon have something to report.
I want to go too.
Wait, it's too dangerous for you here. I want you to stay in the car. Okay?
All right.
Let's go. Keep an eye on the street.
Papa, does this mean you'll try shooting the doctor?
Keep watching down there. Fortunately, we don't have any choice. Nobody would believe me without proof that he's a lugo-men who has taken the real doctor's identity.
There they are. You hit him, Papa.
Go, get him!
He has to get out of here.
Up there!
Gam, we're sorry about the shooting the other day. Those were lugo-men at the missile base. We're glad you're not hurt.
Now that it's over, to tell you the truth, I was a little angry.
I just knew you'd feel like that. Well, no hard feelings.
They're taking Lisa.
I see their hideout.
Let's land and find out what's going on.
It's right below. Gam. Let's go. We'll try it this way.
Right.
Down.
Huh? Uh-huh.
Down, come on. Let's go.
What's going on here?
Now we know where Rodak's lugo-men hide.
I don't see why they didn't attack us.
All the lugo-men around here are just like ghosts.
Ghosts?
They must get orders in order to act.
Then they have no wills of their own?
That's why they can walk right by us without attacking. They need instructions to do that. Ready? Let's go.
I hear that Rodak has just issued strict orders that we have to make men more tough. He wants them to be able to withstand those fantastically powerful astral rays of Goldars. At least we'll have less trouble with Goldar after that.
Well, look at this now. What are you two doing here?
What? You look well enough to be in advanced training. Get to the parade grounds.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
All right, let's go.
Hurry.
Lend a hand.
I know what's going on. It's an academy. The lugo-men get advanced training there.
We shouldn't waste a minute. My father should know of that.
Not only your father, the whole world should know about that.
Let's go over there where they're parading.
Right.
Hide.
Does it register anything?
No, she doesn't possess the item you're seeking.
Leader, you know very well what I am looking for. before, so don't make it any more difficult for yourself. I want that locket you took with you when you escaped from the planet Kual.
Rodak, I hate you.
Hate?
Goldar, I'll beat you one of these days.
If you don't give me the locket this instant, I'm going to release my monster Taron.
It's here?
Look for yourself. Happened to your planet Kual? The exact same thing is going to happen to Earth if you don't do as I say. Tell me where the locket is or I release Taron.
Attention! Earthlings were just located at this training center.
Earthlings? Catch them, whoever they are.
Are you hurt? I'm okay.
Oh, what's this?
Oh, the whistle.
Get them!
Lida!
Now that you know what operation is going on here, the two of you must be destroyed immediately. This training center is something that no Earthling must ever know about. It is to your misfortune that you have discovered it. Destroy them!
Look there!
Goldar! Are you ready, Rodak? I've been waiting a long time for this, Goldar. So have I, Rodak. Ready? 星から飛ばしてきたのだ。はるばる金星から飛ばしてきた俺の力を見たか。隕石の下で溶けてスクラップになるがいい。
頼む。
孫たち、ありがと
う。守君もガムも大勢を相手によく戦ったね。勝ち負けはどうでも勇気を出して戦うことが大切なのだ。それが地球を守ることなのだよ。
はい。大変よ。日本が大変なのよ。ゴアの命令でカイジアルンが暴れているの。
I'll attend to that immediately.
Please let me assist.
Stay here, Gam.
Oh, why?
I want you and Miko to destroy this entire training center. Make sure it can never be used again. Can you do that?
Certainly, Goldar. Right, Miko?
We'll sure try.
Good. Gam, I'll let your mother know that you're all right.
An important bulletin. Volcanoes all over the earth are erupting, cutting off power lines. Authorities are advising all citizens in dangerous parts of the country to seek shelter that bear provisions of food and water. The mountains now erupting along the Pacific coast are Mount Asama, Mount Tokachi, and Mount Dojo. All citizens should have vacated those areas. Here is another bulletin just handed to me. Less than an hour ago, a monster was sighted beside Highway 93. Planes are useless to fight the creature due to the tremendous heat, which also rendered tanks non-functional for combat. Eyewitnesses have reported that the monster emits destructive flames, and every foot of ground that the monster passes over has been destroyed.
Right now.
Once again, this tremendous heat wave is not allowing
one of you kindly shut that set off
of their weapons.
What's wrong?
The whole thing's frustrating. That's what's wrong with it. That monster will never be stopped without missiles. And we can't use warheads because it's far too dangerous. Too many persons in that area.
There's no one in that area. The fact is, it's been cleared. Everyone got out already. Those are lugo-men in charge.
Mora, I'm starting to think that you're right.
Huh?
You said that the doctor in charge of volcano control was a lugo-man, didn't you?
Yes.
Well, I believe that now. And we've got to do something about it.
And now that I think of it, the men who were in charge of firing those rockets were also lugo-men.
If that's true, it's too late. We can't inform anybody now.
Volcano Countermeasure Center. Who is speaking, please? Who? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, Your Imperial Highness. Right away. Sir, I just finished talking with the Emperor.
His Imperial Highness had a request?
Yes, he wants to. He said he wants to speak with you, sir. Commander.
Me?
Uh-huh.
Your Imperial Highness, Commander Tokido here. Yes. Yes. We'll try to do everything that you wish, sir. You desired that we use rockets with... What was that, sir? Yes, Your Imperial Highness. At once.
What did he have to say?
He instructed me to order our missile stations to use nuclear warheads against the monster Terran.
What did you tell him?
Of course, I said I would. Do you think a lugo-man would say anything else, Doctor?
I know he doesn't realize it, but soon we're going to take over his identity.
Goldar the rocket transforms back into Goldar the robot man, the Space Avenger.
Taron, return to space. If you don't, I will have to destroy you. Taron, it is my duty to protect Earth. Now you leave me no choice but to fight you.
Goldar, don't fight Terran! Terran's energy level is endless since the sun feeds Terran its strength. No one can doubt that that energy is the highest. There's only one thing for me to do now. I'll have to create a temporary solar eclipse.
What's the matter, Taron? You look much weaker now.
窓にエネルギーをinfuseせる。
ダメです。日食です。
何？
太陽は隠れ、現在地球は真っ暗だ。
There's no way of getting any energy from the sun to Terra.
That solar eclipse cannot last forever. Instruct Terran to hide in the lava until the eclipse has passed. Transmit that to Terran immediately.
I lack the energy to continue hiding the sun.
Mora here. The monster's gone? I see. That's excellent news. When? What's going on? An eyewitness just called us who saw Goldar fight Terran. The creature was forced into retreating. For the time being, we're going to be safe.
Oh, the creature retreated?
Marvelous. It's all right.
That's great.
I wonder where Miko and Liz are. I haven't heard a word from them.
I really don't mind this walking. But wouldn't it be easier if we flew?
Gam, walking will assure us of not overlooking anything. Lita, where did you say you saw that lugo-men factory?
I think it's just on the other side of that cave.
Mm-hmm. You see? Lita, we've been walking a long time. How much further is it?
It's about in the center of the island.
That's strange, because take a look over there.
Yes, that's the one. I think I see a yacht down there. Me too.
Let's go.
Where do you think you are going?
We're hiking. Listen, children, we have no other choice now but to blow up the factory. Okay, but I want to help. That won't be necessary. Methuselah equipped me with a very powerful bomb that will do the job excellently. I'll get it. As you can see, it is timed exactly. For when? I'll press this and it'll explode in 10 minutes. All of you stay on board here. Okay.
enemies underwater. Hurry!
なんだこれは。
時計よ。
時計？なるほど。何しに来た？すぐゴア様に連絡しよう。こちらドクロ島人間もどき製造工場。ゴア様、応答願います。はい。こいつはゴア様に手向かうロケット人間だ。ゴア様はすぐに殺せとおっしゃったぞ。
もうダメだ。
なんだ、お湯じゃないか。
贅沢を言って困りますわね。水どころか
敵の有もなくて大勢の人が死んでいくんですよ。
はい。え？アメリカ空軍が特殊なドライアイスを巻いて人工雨を降らせる。ああ。実験では大成功を収めた。やってくれや。
地球の諸君、ビッグニュースを教えよう。怪獣アロンの超エネルギーによってついに南極と北極の氷が溶け始めたのだ。南極と北極の氷が完全に溶ければ地上は海の中に完全に姿を消すのだ。見よ、津波の第一波がやってきた。
All of Norway's harbors were just demolished. The harbors of Greece and Sweden were hit, and it is already calculated that the overall damage has been costly. The disasters have only begun.
Right. Chief, all the areas below sea level are in trouble. I'm going to get the story.
Good. Wait, take Liz with you.
Right.
Attention! Attention! Emergency! Hold to higher ground. The rising water level will soon flood this area. Take as much food and water as you can carry and clear the area.
Do you notice that the water level has already started to rise?
One day it's a monster that threatens this area, the next a natural disaster. This town has bad luck.
Will you look at it?
That noise is terribly loud. We also had floods on our planet, right?
Mm-hmm. If there's a flood, then the Earth's crops will get destroyed, and then we'll have a shortage of food. It's one of the worst things that could happen.
Silva, that is true. If only the world would cool so the ice would stop melting at the poles. The monster Taron is responsible for this. While Taron is alive, the Earth is in trouble.
Yes, you're right. And if the ice continues to melt like that, how can the Earthlings exist?
I thought when Taron disappeared, a lot of rain would be falling on the Earth.
Not necessarily. Although Taron disappeared, disaster is still here. The monster is underground, speeding up these volcanoes. The Earthlings are in more danger than ever.
Here comes Methuselah.
Goldar, I want you to take this invention. This will assist you in rescuing the Earth. It'll stop only one of Earth's troubles. I designed it to make rain.
I will use it.
Only rainfall will assist the Earthlings in surviving this heat, for they have no drinking water. The Earthlings have to survive in this little time.
Why is rain so important?
If it rains, that will cool the Earth quickly, And if the Earth is allowed to cool off, that alone will stop the ice in the North and South Pole from melting. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Good. Now give this to Goldar. The people have to survive.
Yes, sir.
Methuselah is a very wise man, isn't he, Mother?
Jam, thank you.
Jam, Silvar, and Goldar transform into rockets and leave their base in the heart of Mount Olympian.
Nico, you know, I can't help thinking that the Earth is in the exact same state that my planet had been in just before it was destroyed.
What?
It's true. 2/3 of our land was destroyed by the heat. Then that monster Taron attacked.
Go on.
The monster destroyed all the ground that remained. Not too long after the attack, our planet died totally. Nico, destroy Taron.
Yes.
Good. It's the only thing we can do, Nico.
I wish I knew where Mama was, Lita. I'm sorry. You lost both your parents on Kulo.
That's all right. I understand.
Papa.
It's so hot outside that people are fainting. No one has the strength to take the heat much longer.
Let me help you. Sit down. Are you all right?
Yes.
Sit down.
Hi. Your worries are ending. Goldar is carrying a device that will create rain here.
Really?
So it won't stay so hot.
This is a good spot to try it.
I hope it works.
Look! Goldar has done it again.
How could it?
This water's hot.
Hot? No, that's a lie.
It's true. Gam, you should know that rain is usually cold. This won't cool the earth.
I know that.
It's continuing to get hotter and hotter around here.
I don't know. I guess something went wrong. The old wizard certainly isn't a liar.
Water. You want water, do you, Earthling? I think he's thirsty. Lugo number 3. I want a report.
Lugo 3, ready to report.
Begin.
The heat is just under 110 degrees, and conditions get worse.
I give each Earthling a fresh bucket of water just to see the look on Goldar's face right now.
It's just a matter of days until these Earthlings are defeated.
Keep up the good work. Dismiss. Making that rain hot will teach Goldar a lesson he will never forget. No one is more powerful than Rodak. No one. Taron, you've rested long enough. I want you to emerge from your hiding place and begin destroying everything in sight. I want mass confusion and panic among the Earthlings so that they will surrender the Earth to me quickly. Taron, destroy the Earth.
Hello? Who is this?
Take your foot off.
I don't understand what you're saying, sir. Oh, the editor.
Hold it, Gamma. I'll take the call.
Okay.
Yes? Town is loose again. Yes, sir. Yes. Miko, Terran's loose again. Do you know this could mean the end of Earth?
Papa. I don't want you to go. You have to.
Yes. It's my story and I have to be there, no matter what the danger. I must go.
Oh, Papa.
I remember saying goodbye to my father, too.
You mustn't cry, my daughter. Remember that if I die, I will live forever in your memory. I'm not afraid to die. You mustn't be to live. You must go to Earth.
All right.
Good. I want you to take this locket. You've got to tell those on Earth. Thomas, you'll tell everyone there what Rodak did and how he destroyed our world. You understand?
Yes.
Tell the Earthlings that Rodak sent a heat creature to destroy us.
Yes.
Oh, the monster, look, there it is. Go ahead. Leave. Right now.
I shall.
Goodbye, daughter.
I wonder why I have to wear that locket. What's the reason? Just why did Papa give me that? That was the thing that Rodak wanted.
You know what I figure? I figure that locket has a secret inside it.
You think so?
If that locket was located, it could aid the Earth. Mm-hmm. Right, Papa?
Do you know where we can find it?
I no longer had it when I was Rodak's captive.
What about when you were at our cottage?
I know that I had it then.
Are you certain?
Yes.
Then that's where we could find the locket. Let's go there right this minute.
Okay.
Our Department of Space has made this report. They told me that the entire world is now in jeopardy. The only way to save our planet is by surrendering unconditionally. The United Nations has just convened and is now contemplating entirely submitting our Earth to Rodak. If we don't surrender, we will be destroyed completely. Most of the world leaders are inclined to surrender. They feel that surrendering is better than what we're going through now. Now you have an up-to-the-minute report of the progress being made at the unit.
I just learned that Mura is driving to his cottage and he's moving quickly.
Is that the house where Lita once stayed?
Yes.
I find that very peculiar. It's too dangerous in that area. Why are they going there?
So far, I'm not absolutely sure about that. But it may have some connection with that locket. Let's get to that summer place ahead of them. Let's go.
Look for it quickly.
I think Lita's sat here.
I found it.
Great.
Now we have a chance. Get to the car. Wait. Hide. Quickly.
Now I know the leader of the lugo-men. This is the locket.
Nita, I want you to try to drink this.
I don't want it, Miko. It was good to visit the lovely Earth. You only have a little time. I never looked in the locket. I don't know what's in there.
We'll check it.
Nora, when I get well, I'd like to visit all the countries on Earth, places that I know very little about. I can't wait to go to movies and picnics, but the Earth will soon cease existing. Kual was a lot like Earth.
Try not to talk. Unconscious.
Will that locket aid the Earth?
I don't know. Let's find out.
This is the King of Kual speaking, in the hope that someone on Earth will hear this.
It's a tape recording. I'll arrange for everyone to hear the message.
This is a plea for help from the planet Kual to the planet Earth. For Earth is the only planet with a way of life similar to our world. Our planet Kual is in danger. We are being destroyed. We are running out of time. If we should never see each other, please use the following message as a special warning. One day it could very well save your planet. One day, Rodak came to our planet as he might one day come to yours. We told Rodak we could not give up our planet, and so he set his powerful weapons against us. We became cowards and gave in to him. After that, he stole all our treasures, and when he had no use for us any longer, he sent Taron, the monster, to destroy our world. Take this advice, Earthlings. Fight Rodak. Fight him or he will destroy you.
Sun's energy is converted to Taron's energy.
I see.
Now, how are you going to attack Taron, Goldar?
By attacking Rodak's saucer and destroying it. That will weaken Taron's power.
Exactly. However, I have no knowledge about that saucer and don't know how to demolish it.
Then I will have to find a way, sir.
All right, go and demolish his spaceship.
Goldar, the rocket, lands deep in the crater of Mount Olympian to absorb its energy. He knows he is about to face a most difficult battle and will need every ounce of extra power.
A rocket! It's rapidly a spaceship! What?
It's Goldar! Attack! Why is it so hot in here? I can hardly breathe. Just don't stand there. Do something.
I have it. Get the chill of the North and South Pole here as fast as you can. Hurry before I catch fire.
地球の高温は一気に下がった。かくして地球には再び平和がよみがえった。その平和の陰には幾多の尊い犠牲者があったことを忘れてはならない。
さよなら、リーザ。さよなら。
リーザ、いつまでも私たちの心の中で生きているよ。